Hello friends, good morning. Myself Sukumar Singh, selected in UPPSC 2021. I have got 5th rank in PES cadre. Today we are going to discuss the strategy for the preparation of UPSC and UPPSC 2024. As we know, the whole exam pattern is divided into 3 phases. The first phase is the prelims phase, second is the mains phase, and third is the interview phase. Prelims phase is based on multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions are asked in the prelims exam and we have to choose the one option. For clearing this exam, we have to memorize facts. We have to command over the concepts. Facts and concepts should be focused equally. For memorizing facts and to command over the concepts, NCERT books are very authentic source. We should focus on the NCERT books. We should start our preparation from the NCERT books. NCERT books from 6th to 12th should be studied. We should study NCERT books multiple times. We should study NCERT books multiple times. We should try to command each and every concept and fact of NCERT books. After studying NCERT books, we should study some other sources too. Some other standard books should be studied by every candidate. For polity, we should study M. Lakshmikant. The book of M. Lakshmikant is a very beautiful book. Every aspiring candidate should study M. Lakshmikant book. It's book on polity, it's book on the constitution, and every student should study it. For history, we should study R.S. Sharma's book for ancient India, Satish Chandra's book for medieval India, and Bipin Chandra's book for modern India. For modern India, we can study one more book. The book of Rajiv Ahir on modern India is also a very good source. So, students should study Rajiv Ahir's book on modern India. For geography, NCERT books are sufficient. But if we like, we can study G.C. Leong book. G.C. Leong book is also a very good source for the preparation of UPSC and UPPSC. The name of the book is Certificate Physical and Human Geography, and every student should try to study this book. For economy, Sanjeev Verma's book. Sanjeev Verma's book is a very concise book. It's very short and lucid, and every student should try to study this book. Although Ramesh Singh's book is also a very good source, but this book is somewhat lengthy. That's why I will recommend to prefer Sanjeev Verma's book. Everything which is written in Ramesh Singh book is also written in Sanjeev Verma's book. That's why we should prefer Sanjeev Verma's book. For science, NCERT books are sufficient. We should try to study NCERT books from 6th to 12th on science. But if we find difficulty in studying 11th, 12th book, we can study NCERT books from 6th to 12th on science. For ecology and environment, NCERT books are sufficient. We can get everything from NCERT books on ecology and environment. If we like, we can study Shankar IS book. It's a very good source and we can study it. If we have time, we can study it. Current affairs. Current affairs is the significant part for the preparation of UPSC and UPPSC. We should try to command over current affairs. Without current affairs, we can do nothing in this exam. So every student should focus on current affairs. For studying current affairs, you may choose any newspaper. One or two newspapers are sufficient, and newspapers should be a national level newspaper like the Hindu or Indian Express. You may choose any other newspaper too, but newspapers should be studied. I am saying we should study newspapers regularly. I am not saying we should only read newspapers. Newspaper should be studied like other books. After newspapers, we can choose any magazine. Magazines for current affairs like Frontline, Economic and Political Weekly, and any other magazine. Magazines are very important. We should get analysis of various news in these magazines. After magazines, two significant magazines published by Information and Broadcasting Department, the Government of India, are Yojana and Kurukshetra. These two magazines play a significant role in our preparation. We get knowledge of various programs and schemes from these magazines. Yojana is a very good magazine from the Government of India. We get knowledge and information from Yojana. Yojana are plans and schemes of Government of India should be studied deeply, because we have to implement, as a civil servant, we have to implement various programs and schemes. That's why this exam should be focused on programs and schemes, and various programs and schemes are asked from this exam. So every student should focus on programs and schemes, and Yojana and Kurukshetra play significant role in this exam. After Yojana and Kurukshetra, India Yearbook is also a very good source. We get various informations from India Yearbook. India Yearbook is also published by Information and Broadcasting Department, Government of India. We get various facts and figures from India Yearbook. We get analysis or assessment of various ministries from India Yearbook. That's why I recommend every student to study India Yearbook. After India Yearbook, we can choose Vision IS material for current affairs. We can get yearly and monthly compilation for current affairs from Vision IS, and we should use this source in our preparation too. After these sources comes the practice segment. Practice is the most crucial part of this preparation. A scholar named Francis Bacon has said, practice makes man perfect. We can command everything by practicing. So we should focus on practice. Under the practice segment, we should focus on PYQ. First of all, we should focus on PYQ. PYQ means previous year's questions. We should practice previous year questions again and again, because by practicing previous year questions, we can get the pattern of asking questions in this exam. And many repeated questions are also asked in this exam. That's why we should study, we should practice previous year questions. For previous year's questions, we should focus on any publication. We can get previous year questions, solve previous year questions from any publication like Ghatna Chakra publication, and a book Purvavalokan of Ghatna Chakra is a very good source for it. We may choose it. After previous year questions, we should focus on model test papers. We should practice model test papers regularly. If we practice about 500 to 1000 model test papers, our preparation is complete. We should not focus on any other things. We should focus only on model test papers. We should complete 500 to 1000 model test papers and our preparation is complete. So we should focus each and every segment of the strategy for the preparation of UPSC and UPSC 2024. That's all. Thank you so much. Best of luck.